everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change resolution in DaVinci Resolve step-by-step guide easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. So once you're already in and you have added already the clips that you want to use, it's time to go ahead and change its resolution. To change this, you just need to open the media pool just like this. So as you can see, we're actually onto this view in here. But for us to be able to go ahead and tweak the timeline settings, we need to view this as list. So we're going to click onto this icon in here. Right after, you should be able to find in your timeline. So you'll just have to highlight that one out, then right click it, and you should be able to see an option for timeline settings. Click onto that, and here on timeline settings, you should be able to see a check mark onto use project settings. So we'll remove that one out so that the settings in here will open up. So for us to be able to change the resolution for this, so you'll just have to click onto the drop down arrow in here so that you could choose onto the different options in here. For example, we want to go ahead and see this on around 720 by 480. So you could also choose a custom for that. So we're just going to choose this one. Click onto that. And right after, you'll have to click on OK. And as you can see, it will go ahead and scale automatically here onto your timeline. So feel free to adjust this as per your liking and onto the resolution that you want to see onto your clip. And that is how easy you could change resolution in DaVinci Code. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.